keep it clean, my folks are almost home.
Alright, hello. Is there anybody out there? Hello.
I'm nodding, baby. I can hear you.
You're out here. Yeah, exactly. Good speech, right?
Speech. Showtime.
Okay, this is better. All right. First of all, thank you for coming and joining our
Mic is off.
Can't hear you, Rich.
Let's give it up for the Rich and Jurate. Hey, Rick, get it out there. Get it out there. We had a stint of some bad lockdowns. 4 weeks, 3 emergencies every Saturday. It's almost like I'm key, so sorry to keep on dropping it. But, Bruce is my dear friend in basketball, and he's become a really good friend of mine. Just everything that we do. And he's a great guy, and he's the reason why the Happy Tees are together playing for all of you. So, I want to give it to Bruce. He's the one who connects the dots. And as much as this is a wonderful setting, I say this every year, and I know I sound corny, but it's because of the people. It's the company. Yeah, right.
Keep the mic, baby.
You never know how long we're going to be here, but we'll look back on these moments and we'll say, man, remember that time where me and Sean were wiggling to Squeeze Box? Does anyone know what Squeeze Box really means? Yeah, keep that mic away from that guy. But that's the bottom line. And I have friends here from grammar school. I have a friend here that I went to kindergarten with. So it's really cool. High school friends, college friends,
Really awesome.
friends from my church, my family's here. So this is a great thing. Jurate's Lithuanian community that joins us every year, and the girls always know how to dance and move it, and we always love the fact that they're okay wiggling it and jiggling it and making everybody smile. Hey, hear it, amen.
Well, the guys anyway.
We love your company. You are the better half of the species. We thank you very much just for being wonderful women in our lives, and I say that for all the men in this room. Here to that.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now Jurate is going to give at least a 5-minute speech, so everyone, pay attention. She is a teacher.
Really, thank you for coming. We tried our best from one Saturday of emergency room to another, but we made it. And thank you so much for coming and enjoying a good time with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
One last thing. I don't know how much the band has live, but I figure until the rollers come in, I figure we should just roll the dice, right? So the band continues to have some songs to play. I think we're okay with that. Do I hear a yes or no?
Bring it on, baby.
All right, funny thing, I was already thinking about looking at my calendar to book them for next year at the same event. So that's how much we love the Happy Tees.
Thank you, Rich. We love you.
Atta boy, Richard.
Yeah, well, let's get this party started again now, won't we? I love treat you like the queen you are. Bring you sweet things from my candy jar. You got tricks you will never use. So give it to me. It won't be abused. I've been watching you for days now, baby. I just love your sexy ways now, baby.